Praise the Lord and good morning to all of you. And today we are going to see the fifth part or last part of Unit 7, the biblical models for the Christian leadership. In this last class, we are going to see the stewardship model. The image of steward highlights the responsibilities of a spiritual leaders based on Luke chapter 12 and 16. Stewards as trustees. Stewards as trustees. It is describing them, those entrusted with sacred things of God. Here trustees marked with privilege and responsibility. Paul understood the task of a steward for his life, to share the good news of salvation to the Gentiles and Jews. He says, "Woe to me if I do not preach the gospel," 1 Corinthians chapter 9. And I am not ashamed of the gospel, because it is the power of God for the salvation of everyone who believes, based on the Romans chapter 1. Stewards as guardians. Stewards as guardians. Paul said to Timothy, "Guard the good deposit that was entrusted to you." 2 Timothy chapter 1 verse 14. The good deposit refers to the gospel and the apostolic faith. 2 Timothy chapter 1 verse 8 and 13. Our task is to proclaim the truth and expose error, that God's people may be built up in their faith, based on the Jude verse 3. We are guardians of God's truth. Stewards as transmitter of apostolic teachings. We are transmitter of apostolic teaching. Paul is encouraging to Timothy to pass on his teaching to other believable teachers. 2 Timothy chapter 2 verse 2. We must recruit, encourage and train others who will turn, teach and pass on God's revealed word. We are accountable to pass the salvation of God to the people. Stewards as managers. Stewards involved in management. The master appoints stewards to manage his household. Luke chapter 24 verses 42 to 43. God has endued his people with different gifts. So some will have gifts of administration. 1 Corinthians chapter 12 verse 28. We need to think of ways and means whereby they can use their spiritual gifts. Stewards qualities. Being a steward of God's minister, blameless life, unimpeachable character, and high moral standard life is applied for a true steward. Be hospitable, lover of good, self-control, upright, holy, and well-disciplined life, trustworthy and faithful, and to what God has given to use for His glory, based on the Luke chapter 12. I hope these all models are very clear before you. May God bless you.